In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to optimize photos for SEO on eBay, especially if you're new to the world of eBay selling. Optimizing your photos is a crucial step to ensure that your listings stand out and attract potential buyers. The first thing you want to do is use high-resolution images. High-quality images are essential because they not only make your listing look professional, but they also build trust with your buyers. eBay favors listings with clear, sharp photos as they tend to result in higher sales. When your photos are too pixelated, potential buyers might hesitate to make a purchase. So make sure your camera settings are adjusted to capture high-resolution shots. Now, let's talk about adding multiple angles. Imagine you're the buyer wanting to see every detail of the product you're interested in. Multiple angles provide a comprehensive view, showcasing critical features and any unique details that make your product stand out. For example, if you're selling a pair of shoes, take shots from the side, top, back, and even the sole. This gives potential buyers a complete view, making them feel more confident about what they're purchasing. Another helpful tip is to zoom in on any distinguishing characteristics or trademarks related to the item. Next, it's important to rename your photo files with keywords. Keywords play a significant role in SEO, helping your images appear more frequently in search results. Before uploading, take the time to rename your photo files with descriptive keywords relevant to your product. Instead of uploading a file named IMG1234, rename it to something more targeted like Vintage Leather Jacket Size Medium. This not only helps with SEO, but also ensures that your photos are well organized for future reference. Finally, ensure that you upload clear and bright images. Good lighting can make a significant difference in the quality of your photos. Natural daylight is usually the best option. But if it's unavailable, you can use diffused artificial light to eliminate harsh shadows and highlight your product's features. Make sure that the background is simple and clutter-free, allowing buyers to focus solely on the product. If necessary, use photo editing software to adjust brightness and contrast. But remember to keep changes minimal to maintain authenticity. To wrap things up, optimizing your photos is a multifaceted process that involves attention to detail and a bit of creative effort. Remember that high resolution, multiple angles, keyword-rich file names, and bright, clear images work together to create a visually compelling listing, elevating your product among countless others on eBay. By following these steps, you not only enhance the professional look of your listing, but also increase its discoverability, leading to better sales outcomes. So get out there, start capturing those great photos, and watch your eBay sales soar.